The Lincoln Blackwood from 2002 to 2003 features a key fob for remote locking and unlocking of doors. Programming is necessary after replacing the battery or when obtaining a new key fob. Although Blackwoods are discontinued, the Ford PATS system ensures programming remains straightforward. This video will guide you through the programming process, step by step. A key fob is a remote keyless entry device that uses radio frequency to communicate with your Blackwood. The Blackwood fob operates on 314 MHz frequency for secure communication. Programming pairs the fob to the vehicle's immobilizer, preventing theft by teaching the fob's unique ID to the car's ECU. First, ensure your Blackwood is unlocked and doors are closed. Have your original key and at least one working fob handy. Insert the key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, do not start the engine, then back to off. Repeat this sequence 4 times within 3 seconds. On, off, on, off, on, off, on. Leave the key in the on position. The door locks should cycle, locking and unlocking to confirm you are in programming mode. Within 10 seconds of entering programming mode, press any button on the key fob you want to program. The locks should cycle again to confirm the fob is paired. Repeat this step for additional fobs, up to 4 total. Turn the ignition off, then back on to exit programming mode. Test each fob to ensure lock-unlock functions work correctly. If the locks don't cycle during programming, first check the key fob battery. Use a CR2032 type battery. A faulty ignition switch or wiring issues can also block programming. Check the ignition wiring diagram for continuity. Use an OBD2 code reader to check for and clear PATS errors, such as code B6081 for invalid fob. If problems continue, consult a professional mechanic for further diagnosis. Programming your Lincoln Blackwood key fob can be done as a DIY project using tools like ForScan OBD2 scanner software, which connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port for reprogramming. You can also use universal programmers such as the Autel MaxiSys, which provides a tablet interface for programming key fobs on older Ford models. This DIY approach can save you $50 to $150 compared to professional programming services at a dealership or shop. However, improper programming attempts can lock you out of your vehicle or trigger the anti-theft system, requiring additional repairs. Keep in mind that Ford dealerships may not support programming for older Blackwood models due to parts scarcity. Aging key fobs often require battery replacements. As key fobs get older, their batteries need to be replaced to maintain functionality. Generic remotes from online retailers are available but may have reliability issues. While affordable options exist, they often lack the durability of original parts. Counterfeit units are common, so quality is important. Many online sellers offer fake key fobs that can fail quickly or cause security problems. Consider using OEM parts and fresh batteries to avoid programming failure and ensure long-term functionality. Original equipment manufacturer parts provide the best reliability and compatibility. The automotive industry is rapidly evolving toward digital keys and smartphone apps for vehicle access and control. This shift represents a move away from traditional physical remotes to more convenient and secure digital solutions. For Lincoln Blackwood owners, DIY programming methods will continue to be essential since these older vehicles aren't compatible with modern digital key systems. However, aftermarket smart modules that integrate alarm systems with smartphone app control are becoming increasingly popular. These modules allow remote monitoring and control through mobile apps, bridging the gap between older vehicles and modern technology. As the Blackwood continues to age, parts availability will become more limited. This underscores the importance of developing proper maintenance skills and relying on DIY approaches to keep these classic vehicles running reliably.